Hi guys, it's Karen from Creations by Karen, and today is day 13 of the 20-day Christmas craft challenge. 7 days left. Okay, so today we are going to make something for our fur babies. So I think they need something at Christmas too. So we're going to make something for a dog. So I found this really cute cardstock at my local stamp art place. But it's not very heavy, so I need to reinforce it. So I've got my Friska's cutter here, and I'm going to use one of these clear bag sleeves, 2 inches by 8 inches, but I'm going to cut a piece of this, and this is directional, so I want it to fit a certain way. So I'm going to cut it at 1 7/8 inches. I'll line it up here. 1 7/8. So that's 1 7/8. Perfect. And I'm also gonna, there we go. And I'm gonna cut it at 7.5 inches. Because my sleeve is 8 inches and I want a little bit extra. Alright, so that's good. So then I've got 1 7/8 width here, and I'm going to cut it at, I think I need a different one. I'm going to cut it at 2 inches. Cut this at 2 inches. I'm going to make a few of these, so I'm going to make this just over 2 inches, but not quite 2.5. And I'm going to cut it the same on the other side. So put it down there, 2 inches, cut it this here. All right. So I've got my piece, and I've got a 2.5, just a little bit over 2 and maybe 1/8, not very much over 2. And I've also cut a piece of just red cardstock, because I really want to reinforce this, because this isn't very heavy at all. And it's double-sided. It's got lettering on one side and it's got puppies on the other. Look how cute they are. And I'm going to just put these together like this. So you want to make sure that they look good together. And I'm going to just slip this in my sleeve. And I want the puppies to be at the front, I think. So let's just put them in here. See if I could do this today. I'll just put this in here, just like that. And I've got a little bit extra up here. That's what I want, all right? So it's just sitting nice in this sleeve. I got these at clearbags.com. All right, there you go. Puppies, look at how cute they are. All right, so put that aside. Then I went to my local bulk store, and I got these little dog bones. And I'm going to put some of these dog bones in. And I think I'll maybe put 3. So I'll put this one in. And I like to have the milk bone, these are milk bones, facing forward. So I'm just going to slip this in here. That milk bone in there. Now this can be a bit of a challenge because these aren't that wide, but I just want to make sure that they sit nice inside and they go all the way to the bottom. And you might need something just to push it down further. That's what you got this stuff for. You can use a pen, you can use whatever. Just try to not manhandle the bone very often. And I like it to be sort of in the center, just like that. And then I'm going to put another one in, and this one's a darker color. Nope, it's the same color. Let's see what I got here. What have I got in my bag? That's a light one. We'll put that in. And I want it to sit against this one. So just take your pen or your pusher, whatever you got, just so it sits up nice against it. There you go. And one more. What do I have? I guess I'll put this one in. And I like the milk bone sign to be, they should be the same, facing the same way. This one isn't. A little ahead of myself. I'm going to take it out and stick it in this way. I know when my grand dog comes over at Christmas, I have a stocking for him with treats and toys, and so this would be good for them. Sticking it in here. Push it down with the pusher. I'm going to put this one in too. Just like that. So you've got 3 milk bones in there. Now I'm just going to take the sticky stuff off, and then I'm just going to stick it down just like that, so it's closed. And you can just go and leave it like that. That's not the way I roll. So I've got my 2x2 piece, 2.5, and I'm just going to fold this over, and I'm just going to fix this on here. And it just is a little bit over the sides of this, which is great. So I've got a stapler, and I'm just going to staple right at the bottom, just like that. Then, stuff everywhere. Just going to take my punch, and I'm going to make 2 holes just above the staple. That'll work. I'm going through a lot of stuff here, so. There we go. 2 holes. Just on the top. Then I'm going to take some twine, and this is just twine I got at Michael's. Just cut a piece off. Come in through the back of your punch, your hole that you made. And especially with this particular cardstock, I wanted to make sure that I had something on the back of it too, because it was a little bit flimsy. All right, so that's good. But before I do my bow, I want to stick one of these bells on. Just gotta have bells at Christmas. And I got these at the dollar store. I got like a bag of them. They were pretty inexpensive. And this stuff shreds or unravels. So I just cut a piece off, and I just go through the bell. Just like that. And I tie a knot so the bell is on its own. And then I just make a bow. Just a pretty little bow. Just cut your excess off. And there you have it. Day number 13. Doggy treats for your fur baby. What do you think, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you thought this looked like a good idea. Think you're going to do it? Put it in the comments. Yes, I'm going to do it. All right, day 13 is in the books. Day 14 is tomorrow, and we'll see you then. Love you all. Bye.